And of course, the big news that's coming in from Gurugram, after affecting around 100 districts in 5 states, the locusts are now targeting Haryana. They have reached Gurugram and the residents are facing the wrath of the desert locust, which are known to devour everything in their path. And this is now posing an unprecedented threat to food supply, livelihood of millions of people. Several areas in Gurugram are witnessing these swarms of locusts, also called the Tiddi Dal, covering the skyline. We're being told that no earlier warning, however, was issued by the administration. We'll get a confirmation on that soon. But it is usually advised to beat utensils, dhols to scare away the swarms, and it works. Aishwarya Paliwal continues to be with us. Aishwarya, from what I can see on social media and from messages circulating, it seems this is what is being discussed, that the swarm of locusts is over the skyline of Gurugram.
Well, yes, that's what the visuals say at the moment. In fact, the authorities are now trying to make sure that they do not stay at a place. In fact, they have also told the residents to make sure that they should make some noise, because noise will scare them away. But we'll have to wait and watch how the day pans out. But from what we understand, a warning has been sent out by the authority at the moment, asking all the residents to make sure that they keep their doors and windows shut so that the swarm does not enter their house.
Visuals that we are already getting seems to be mobile footage that people are recording. It's not just about fields. There are houses. It is an industrial city as well of Gurugram. There are apartments. This is going to be very difficult for people who are living there.
Yes, it definitely will be very difficult. Also, what the administration is trying to figure out now is that Gurugram is basically all the buildings are where people stay. So what they are expecting is for these locusts to move away as soon as possible. But from what we understand, this attack has been on for almost 45 minutes now. Okay. And the authorities are now trying to make sure that they figure out a way so that these locusts do not stay at a place and they move away. However, from what we are understanding now, 12 hours ago, the administration had in fact told the citizens to make sure that they keep their doors and windows shut because they were expecting an attack. And now from what we see in the skyline, thousands of these locusts are there in
Aishwarya, what is the administration plan? Because there is this lack of clarity of whether the administration has announced any precautionary measures. What we look at when we look at the screen, it seems that the whole skyline is flooded with the locust and they are known to devour everything that comes in their way.
And you know, the administration at the moment is trying to figure out ways to make sure that they don't stay at a place. What the administration is hoping for is that most of these feed on crops, which is something which we don't find that often in a place like Gurugram, because most of the area is industrial area. So that's what the administration is hoping for. But from what we understand, there was a warning of sorts which was given by the administration 12 hours ago, where they had asked the residents not to step out and to make sure that their doors and windows are shut because they were expecting this attack.
All right, Aishwarya, we want to stay with this top story because that's what a lot of people have been discussing. Take a look at these visuals. This is right as we speak in the city of Gurugram, adjacent to the national capital, Delhi. So these locusts, the Tiddi Dal as it is also called, after Uttar Pradesh, now reaching Haryana as well. Aishwarya, so right now, the best precaution that people can take is just to keep themselves shut inside, close all the doors and windows. But what has been the impact in Uttar Pradesh, in other areas where they have been witnessed? Because we have heard that there is a lot of damage that is reported, even if they just cross paths.
Well, definitely, you know, that's what the people are fearing, and that's what the administration is also fearing at the moment, because we have seen the kind of damage that they caused in Uttar Pradesh and also in Rajasthan. And now we are seeing almost the entire skyline has been covered by them. But yes, the people are asked to make sure that they do not step out. They've also been asked, especially those who stay in the high-rise buildings, are being asked to make sure that they keep their doors and windows tightly shut, at least for the next couple of hours, till the time the administration gets hold. Let me also tell you the major areas where we are seeing this attack in Rajasthan Park. We are also seeing it in Surat Nagar and Lakshman Vihar. We have also heard the reports of this attack near Ifko Chowk. So those are the areas where predominantly have been seen, and these are the areas where people especially have been asked to keep their doors and windows shut.
All right, we are just going to go full screen again to these visuals of the swarm of locust attack. Absolutely shocking, and it seems that it has caught a lot of residents just off guard. So if you are a resident of the city of Gurugram, please send in your visuals. If you can possibly record from your home, we can see people in extreme discomfort, and try and stay inside, shut doors and windows. So let's go now for a live update from my colleague Sushant Mehra. He's in Gurugram. Sushant, exactly किस लोकेशन पे आप हैं? क्या सच में वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा नंबर में ये टिड्डी दल, ये लोकस्ट पहुंच चुका है गुरुग्राम?
पूजा, मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि मैं इस वक्त गुड़गांव के अंदर मौजूद हूँ और मेरे पीछे आप तस्वीरें देख रहे होंगे, ये डीएलएफ इलाका है। अब से थोड़ी देर पहले, अगर तकरीबन कहा जाए 1 घंटे के आसपास, इफ्को चौक और इसके तो न्यू गुड़गांव का एरिया है, गुरुग्राम का एरिया, इन तमाम इलाकों के अंदर टिड्डी दल ने एक बड़े लाखों की तादाद में यहाँ पर जो है वो दल पहुंचा था। उसके बाद क्योंकि तेज हवाएं चल रही हैं, क्योंकि अब ये जो दल है आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हुए पालम विहार और उसके अलावा अगर कहा जाए तो राजेंद्र पार्क, उन तमाम इलाकों के अंदर बिजवासन के जो तमाम इलाके जो कि दिल्ली से सटे हुए हैं और यहाँ पर खेत खलियान है, उन इलाकों के अंदर पहुंचा है। और अगर कहा जाए तो प्रशासन की तरफ से पहले से जो अलर्ट होना चाहिए था वो उन इलाकों में नहीं था। और ऐसे में सुबह के वक्त जब यहाँ पर पहुंचे तो लोग घरों से बाहर निकले, उन्होंने इसके साथ साथ पटाखे जलाए, इसके अलावा अगर कहा जाए तो तालियां बीजी, तेज आवाजें निकाले, बर्तन पीटे, ताकि टिड्डी
Is it reaching Delhi, Sushant? Is it possible that the locust and the टिड्डी दल are reaching the national capital? Should the residents be prepared?
नहीं, अभी फिलहाल अगर कहा जाए तो ये जो टिड्डी दल है वो हरियाणा के ही दूसरे जो इलाके हैं जो कि दिल्ली से सटे हुए हैं, सोनीपत, पानीपत, इन इलाकों और खरगोदा के अंदर पहुंचने का अलर्ट जो है वो प्रशासन की तरफ से किया गया है। दिल्ली में भी कोई भी अलर्ट जो है वो जारी नहीं किया गया, क्योंकि जो हवाओं का रुख है उसी के तहत ये आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हुए जा रहे हैं।
All right, Sushant Mehra, with all the latest from Gurugram. Sushant, continue to send us updates, and there you can see locusts reaching the city of Gurugram.